Kenang baga Jylla Niam joki reunget Hindu kebelatip kumka Durga Puja kan long kebayat bet yat renti hakane ke Jylla Meghalaya. Man kasnem haswa jong Jylla Niam kajudan ke jingiakynduh lang jong baroh kinong ilam Niam baper hakane ke Jylla. Kabalong kumsi benta ban peni ke jing teli jongki wala kalong hala ke jong ke jinget. Mentag snem ru kendiat sengi shwa Jylla Niam Durga Puja bakan poi. Kalau don biang kum kini ke jingiakynduh jong kinong ilam Niam ki baper. Nado kesnem syajar kendai spa kendai pulai shaneng ka Central Puja Committee ke bekmi ke jingiat bet renti Jylla Niam joki reunget Hindu ka Durga Puja. Haswa bun kisngi jong ke Jylla Niam ban yat bet kene ke Jylla Niam. Kaju penlong ru ke jingiakynduh lang jong baroh kinong ilam joki Niam baper hakade kenong ba shlong. Menta kesnem arhajar arpu aru ikene ke jingilang lakot penlong haka arpu praterik menta unai lur haken stress Durga Puja pandal shlong haka bajan baroh kinong ilam joki Niam baper kilawani shim benta ban penpa we ke jingi teli joki Niam bat banwan ra Jingshong Suk san. Hakene ke jingilang hakene ke sengi le don rengkat ru menteri rang ba ke Jylla ukon rat kongkal sangma. Hadin ke jingilang ukon rat kongkal sangma ulak le perdaru ya ke jing rakhe ke jingdap nyup san snem ke Jylla Niam Durga Puja ha conscious stress ha kenong ba shlong.
That there is no dearth of individuals who would like to take advantage, create the incorrect narrative of the entire situation, and try to create communal tension among the people. So therefore today's program, and a very appropriate program when we are having it just before Durga Puja, of having this kind of a harmony program is, in a way, another message of victory of good over evil. And therefore, it gives me immense pleasure to be here in this program today after a long gap, I should say, because of COVID. And as I had mentioned many years back also in the similar program, that this kind of program that we're having, the get-together we're having, is a message that is going to be covered and appreciated not just in Shillong, but throughout the state and throughout the country. The message of respect, I was listening to Swami when he was speaking. He was mentioning about what Vivekananda had said 129 years back on this day. And the message that we could see that about tolerance he mentioned. And today, if you look at the entire scenario that we're facing, as long as we are having respect for each other, as long as we understand that we need to coexist together, live together in peace and harmony, by ensuring that we respect each other, that is the only way we will be able to move forward as a society.